Hello everyone and welcome back to Creator's Kitchen. And today we are going to make you another drinks. What's in the pot? Guess what drink is this? A drink that you will really love to have. And this drink today is a drink that make your nail grow and make your nail as hard as a nail. So a drink that make your nail hard as a nail and make your nails grow. And here are the ingredients we're going to use today. We have 150 grams of fresh blueberry, 150 grams of blackberry, and 80 grams of frozen blueberry, 1.5 banana, and some fresh mint. Here we had some fresh mint and we had some ground almond and almond milk and a 1.5 banana, and we have some sea moss gel. The sea moss gel is optional, but it's very good for the body, so I tend to put my sea moss gel into my smoothie. You can get sea moss gel in like L shop. I don't know if what L shop you gotta go to, but I buy the sea moss and make my sea moss gel. So one day I'll show you how I make the sea moss gel, and it is jelly like jelly. Look at it. It's very jelly. So when I'm gonna do a video on how to make sea moss gel. So I just buy the organic sea moss and make the gel. So now we are going to blend all these fruits. So it's just a very simple, easy recipe, and make my nail hard as a nail, hard as a nail. And also is healthy in every way. So we're going to go ahead and put everything in our blender, and we're going to blend our drink. So let's blend this lovely, tasty smoothie. So we have the blender here, and we're just going to push the board away. And my blender is a bit wet because I just rinsed it. So now I'm going to pour all, so that's 150 grams of blackberry in frozen blackberry. There's one leaf, and 80 grams of frozen blueberry, and 150, I just washed it, the water running from it, 150 grams of fresh blueberry. And 80 grams of ground almond, almond milk, and we're gonna just pick our mint leaf and put it into the smoothie. Just a few leaves, don't have to put loads in. And we're gonna chop our bananas. Peel and cut our banana into. I'm not even chopping my banana on. So we're gonna move this from here and just chop our banana. So the last thing you're gonna put in that blender. Is that gel. Whoops, my banana sliding off the table, off the chopping board. Doesn't want to go in. The banana put little legs on. It doesn't want to go in the blender. It doesn't want to blend. So now we're gonna put our banana in the blender. Banana. My kids laugh after the way I call banana because I never get the word right. But I don't care. I just see banana. Right, so we are going to add our water, which is, I use the bottled water. So I have half a cup of bottled water. Ready to blend our drink. So we're gonna start blending, and we're just gonna add our sea moss to let it blend. Look at that jelly, jelly, jelly. Sea moss gel. It's optional. Remember, you don't have to add sea moss gel. So we're just gonna blend smoothie for about 2.5 minutes. If you don't like the pips from the blackberry, please run it through a sieve. Now that our smoothie is finished, lovely, thick, nice, rich smoothie. Look at that. And we're just gonna pour that in a glass for you. Look at the body of that smoothie. Oh my word. Ain't that pretty? And it is lovely as well. Very tasty. That is a wonderful drink to have. So I hope you enjoy making this lovely, simple, easy smoothie. All we got to do to get our nail growing and on, chuck some banana into the blender, some blackberry, some blueberry, and some grounded almond and mint, and some water and some almond milk, and some sea moss if you like sea moss. But sea moss is optional. The sea moss just give it another bounce. So I hope you like making this delicious drink with me today and get your nail hard as a nail, growing. I had some of these drinks, and trust me, you don't want to stop drinking it. You will drink this every day, and make sure you keep drinking it. It's not gonna grow your nail in one day, you know, so you gotta make it a few times to get your nail growing. So you got to drink it and feed the body with this healthy, delicious drink. It's no added ingredients. It's everything is natural, healthy food. That's what body needs. So I hope you enjoy making this recipe with me today. And if it's your first time, I can't even get the word right. If you're your first time in Creative's Kitchen, welcome to the channel. And I hope you enjoy making this lovely smoothie with me. And if it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe and like and send me your comment about this drink. To see new weekly video. Thank you so much, my fans, for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video soon. See you. Bye. What's in the pot? Drink.